Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to edit the printable bridal shower bundle that's available in my Etsy shop. So to demo this listing before you purchase, you can go to the listing and double click it and click copy and paste it into a new browser. The listing comes with 7 templates. It comes with a welcome sign, a registry card, a menu, a bridal shower invite, table number signs, table signs, and a bridal shower sign. So let's take a look at each template. And we'll start with the bridal shower invite. The bridal shower invite is 5x7. Every template in this bundle, the text will be editable. You can change the color or the font. And you can also change the size of the font as well. So once you're happy with it, you can save and download. You will do this for each template. I personally recommend the PDF format. It gives the best quality, and template will then give you additional options once you select the format as well. So for the second template is the table numbers. The table numbers are 8x10. And as mentioned before, all the text is editable. So to change the name at the bottom of the sign, double click inside of the name and start typing the new couple's name. So once you're done with the name, you'll double click inside of the name again, just to highlight it. Right click and select copy. And then you will go to the next sign. Click on the name, right click again and select paste. And you will do that for all the table numbers. I created 20 table numbers, so if you do not need all of them, you can click the delete button on the right side. And don't forget to save and download. So the third template is the sunflower table signs. And these are the table signs that I have already typed out for you. There are about 17 signs. And I left one blank one at the very end, just in case you would like to create your very own sign. And these signs are also 8x10 inches. So for the fourth template, is the large wedding sign. It's 24 by 36 inches. And you can use these signs to welcome your guests to the wedding ceremony or at your reception. And you can feel free to change the color, the background color. The clip art is locked, but you can change the background color to any color you like, as well as the text. The fifth sign is your very own bridal shower sign to welcome your guest. And this sign is 36 by 24 inches. Sixth template is the menu. The menu is 4 by 9 inches. The menu can be used at your bridal shower, wedding rehearsal, wedding reception, and more. And last but not least is the seventh template, which is the registry card. This 5 by 3 inch card was designed to coordinate with the bridal shower invite, so your guests will know which store you are registered at. And that's it for the bridal bundle. I also offer a sunflower baby shower bundle and a few other party favors in my shop. So if you're interested, please check out my printable shop, Arm4 Creations, on Etsy. Once again, thank you so much for checking out my shop. I hope you have a blessed day.